So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am searching for a giveaway for myself. So I came to know that there is a platform Electronic Wings. So this platform is providing a giveaway or giving a giveaway of MAX78002 Evaluation Kit board. So this is the board. It is looking like a big board having two displays and some sensors and many ICs. If I zoom out, then it looks like this. So this is the description. It's a board of analog devices, I think. Yeah, MAX78002 Evaluation Kits. So this board is used to build artificial intelligence products. It provides optimal versatility with the modular peripherals architectures, input and output devices to remotely locate it, DVP and CSI cameras, I2S audio peripherals, digital microphones, and some analog sensors are supported. So there is some features also. It is having a power accumulator with dedicated display to track device energy consumption, connectorized I2S digital microphones, a 3.5 mm line in and line out jacks, USB 2.0 high speed, SWT RISC-V coprocessor, JTAG 10 pin headers. This one micro SD flash memory card connectors. It is also having 8 ADC input, and it is also having touch enabled 2.4 inch 320 x 240 color TFT display and some LED and some push button switches. So let's talk about the kit content. In kit it will have EV kit board with directly soldered MAX78002 MAX32625 Pico debugger with cables, Olimax ARM USB OCD H and Olimax ARM JTAG 2010 adapter and some more adapters, I2S digital microphone SPH 0645, a DVP and CSI camera module. So these are having in the kits. So the application of this board is can use in factory robot and drone navigation, industrial sensors and process controls, inline quality assurance system, smart security cameras and portable medical diagnostic equipment. So there is a two important thing, timeline and giveaway. So there is a condition for giveaways and also there is a time. So the last date is 31st of May 2025 and today is 30 May 2025. I also today came to know. So we are having only few hours to submit this. So it's my humble request to all of you to fill this form. Here is the form, apply for giveaway. When you click on this, the form page will open, and also there is a term and condition. Don't forget to read this, don't forget to read giveaway condition, and don't forget this timeline. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, because in coming days I am going to upload more videos. Either it is for giveaway or maybe some kind of hackathon. So please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.